Okay, so I didn't have any trades on April 1st, which was a Friday, and then it was Saturday, Sunday, and then I didn't do any trading on Monday either. I didn't see anything that I really liked. Having a small account, again, I want to be very careful, so I have to make sure that it's a good trade. As you'll see in this video, I didn't do such a great job for my first trade though. So this is from April 5th, which was a Tuesday, and this was the first trade that I did with my $530 account. So I'll skip ahead here to a minute. I was trying to trade this break over the $6.30. As you can see, it kept getting close, but not quite breaking over. So I figured if it did, it would probably be a good runner. So at about a minute, it actually got up there and broke over 630, but I didn't have my mouse on the buy button, so I didn't end up actually getting it at the price that I was planning the whole time. You can see there it just went right past it, and I could have bought it, but I didn't. So then it was at 631, and I started thinking maybe it's going to drop back down, and I shouldn't buy it at the high. But of course, then you see it went up to 640, which was the plan. So I could have traded that had I followed through with my original plan. Um, After that, let's see, go over to about 2 minutes, and you can see I tried to buy it when it came back down here because it was still moving pretty good. So I tried to get it there at 633, but I didn't have the buying power because I forgot to change my share size from 500 shares. Because I'm trading with a small account, I only have so much buying power. So I should have remembered that, but I didn't. So not a great start. Lowered my share size there, and as it comes down, I buy it at $6.34 there. Um, really wasn't a good time to buy it, though, to be honest. I mean, it does come back up here, and I could have maybe gotten a small gain on it, right about there. Maybe 4 cents, maybe if I had sold it on the ask. But I wanted to get the 10 cents, and I was stupid, so I should have just gotten rid of it, realizing that it wasn't going to immediately break up, that it had a potential to break down. So if I skip forward here, you can see it does end up actually coming down quite a bit there. It's only a 3 cent loss at that point, but I still probably should have just gotten rid of it when it bounced off of the 9 EMA line there. I probably, as it came up right here at 36, seeing that large seller, I probably should have just gotten rid of it then. A lot of should haves in this trading recap. I didn't do a great job on this. So moving forward here to about 4.5 minutes, you can see it's going to drop a lot more. Yeah, at almost 20 cents, and it drops even more than that, like 27-cent loss if I had sold it here. Really stupid. I should have sold it in the first place. Probably shouldn't have even bought it in the first place. It's turning into a topping tail in the 5 minute there, and that's not a good sign. So I felt pretty dumb about this one. But I was also at this point kind of thinking if I did sell it, I'm totally screwed on this account. So I'll just hold it and see if maybe it'll bounce back up off the 20 EMA at $6.07. Um, so just kind of skip ahead a little bit here. And you can see right about there, it starts to come back up. So I got really lucky. I started thinking, oh man, I should just get rid of this as soon as it gets back to break even. Uh, but as you can see, it kind of flies up. And then I'm thinking, okay, well, maybe I just bought it too early, so I should try and sell this for the 10 cents. It has trouble breaking over $6.40 there. So again, I'm thinking, oh man, if this doesn't keep moving, it could just be one of these ones where it pops up again and then immediately tanks really low. But right there, I sold it at $6 and I think 43 cents. So this is my end of day detailed report. So up here it's $6.34 is where I bought it. $6.43 is where I sold it. So I got a 9 cent gain on it. So I got really lucky on this. I was planning on a 10 cent gain. Almost was like a 30 cent loss, and then ended up getting lucky and making 9 cents on it. So this shows my commissions, ECN fees, the SEC fees, the TAF fees, and the miscellaneous fees. So $36 gross ends up becoming only $29.62 in actual profit. That puts my $530 account up to 562. So that's what I'll have going into the next trading day. So this was on the 5th, so the next day will be on the 6th. So I hope you like that recap. It was pretty bad. But yeah, I got lucky. So hopefully you enjoyed it.